right, everybody, got the fire truck home to its new home. Me and Dominic put in a lot of riding hours on this thing. Made it home safely. These are some before pictures of the rig before we get it fixed up and remodel some stuff and repair some stuff to get it back in condition. Doesn't really have a lot of damage, but it does need a good cleaning and some repairs, minor repairs on some stuff. It's the rear cab. All the seats are pretty good, except for the one here. We're in a repair on that one. Cross lays area. Compartments. Whole compartments to get repaired. Some stuff and get this thing looking as close to new as we can. Be some adjustments made, but in all, it's in good condition. And compartments, other compartments. Other side of the pump panel, pump access, and then we just have another view from the other side here, as well as the front cab where the captain or the boss sits. Dominic has claimed this as his seat. Not sure if he'll let anybody else ride up here or not. We'll see. And this company is originally from Blue Point in Long Island. And there it is. So hopefully we'll get a video of what it's going to look like when we get it complete. Stay tuned.